We can all agree that waiting on hot or cold weather to drive HVAC sales is a tough way to make a living.
When temperatures are nice outside, the phone simply stops ringing, leaving our service and installation professionals on the bench, idle. That's costing you big bucks.
The profits earned during the busy season are eaten up just to keep your people on the team.
Meet Connor. He's an HVAC business owner that struggled to earn the money he knew he deserved, all because he couldn't keep his crew busy during the slow months.
Working hard and not earning the profits he deserved made Connor and his wife very sad.
Connor discovered how airflow testing and diagnostics could keep his team busy all year with profitable work that put big smiles on his customers' face.
Certifying that HVAC systems were actually performing as promised made good sense to Connor's team. The whole company now feels more empowered and equipped to be the best HVAC provider in their market.
You know that the human body's vital signs of weight, temperature, pulse, and blood pressure provide initial performance indicators that a doctor uses to diagnose problems and prescribe next steps, right? Well, you also know that amp draw, refrigerant pressure, and temperature differentials are three very important vital signs that technicians regularly use to diagnose HVAC system problems. But did you know that the most overlooked HVAC vital sign is fan airflow?
Unless the system has proper fan airflow, you can't know for sure if the amp draw, refrigerant pressures, or temperature differentials are even correct.
Overlooking this important vital sign means you're just guessing that the fan is delivering the proper amount of air to the evaporator, heat exchanger, air filter, and duct system. Think about this. Can you properly set the refrigerant charge for a 3-ton system with only 684 cubic feet of air blowing across the evaporator coil per minute? Nope.
Connor's crew learned that they must actually measure fan airflow in order to deliver the level of HVAC system performance their customers deserve. During the course, they learned a very valuable lesson. If you don't measure, you're just guessing.
Once they began measuring fan airflow on every call, tons of new opportunities were uncovered to improve the safety, health, comfort, and efficiency of their customer systems, and sales increased substantially.
Connor and his team learned the proper way to measure fan airflow by attending a series of courses at their local distributor. The 3 courses were developed and presented by National Comfort Institute, the worldwide leader in HVAC system performance training.
Step 1 involved Connor and his senior leaders attending a 3-hour seminar that explained the business opportunity and helped them understand how much more money they could make based on their current level of sales.
A few weeks later, Connor and his leaders attended a 2-day workshop where they learned the steps required to implement the airflow testing and diagnostics process within their business.
Finally, the technical team attended a 1-day training class a few weeks later that taught them how to easily determine fan airflow by measuring and recording 4 simple static pressure readings.
Now, Connor's team can easily handle customer complaints that they've been unable to solve for years.
Connor's customers are happier, his crews stay fully employed year-round, and profits are really looking up.
Check with your local HVAC distributor rep today to learn how you can be more like Connor and earn the profits you deserve by making your customers happier and keeping your crews busy, even in the mild weather months.
Thanks for your interest in learning how proper fan airflow leads to better cash flow. To register for upcoming classes in your area, please contact your favorite distributor rep for complete details. If there are no classes scheduled in your area, contact NCI and we'll see what we can do to fix that for you. Thanks again for your interest in how proper fan airflow leads to better cash flow.